Hello, welcome back to our new video on this mini-series of JTL Wawi 1.6 tutorials in English. This is Faisal from Tecsee GmbH, your internet agency based in Germany. Today this is a continuation of our introductory videos on how to use the ERP system that is manufactured by the Teksee's service partners JTL. This program was manufactured in Germany and only supported the German language, but now it also supports the English language. So today we're going to start with an introductory video on other things, and we're going to show you the basics again, and we're going to give you an introductory. This is going to be a first part, and we're going to do the second part later on the other tabs of this ERP system. So this is for our English users. So this is the first part. So we press here on items, and just as a quick note, this is the test version of the ERP system version 1.6. The full version will come out soon in a couple of months, and you will see everything is written in English, but for now these tabs over here are still in German for technical reasons, but we're going to make sure that it will be in English available for our English users. So let's begin. This is the item section. As you can see here, you can just press on anything and you can see everything you want. You have everything you want and anything you want in this ERP system. So this is the item section. You can see here everything you need, the servers, the home supplies, everything is contacted with this stock unit number. And then you have here the Bestand, which is the stock, how many stocks do we have, who are the suppliers, and so on and so forth. Everything over here is still in English, but for now it is still in German, the tabs. So the second part of the ERP system is the order management part over here. So the order management part is where you have where you can control your order management. So buying stuff from suppliers. Here is the suppliers. In English it's like the quotations, what you already bought, your orders, if it's been delivered, if it's not been delivered, if it's closed, if it's not been closed. Here everything is supported by the ERP system itself. Basically these are going to be empty for sure because there is nothing here still yet. We're going to show you how to basically maintain them in the next videos, and this is going to be the first part of our introductory video. The second part will come out soon. So we're going to only begin with the first 6 and then we'll continue on later. So you have here the Lager, which is the warehouse. The warehouse here shows you how many warehouse there are and what are the items inside of the warehouse. So it's going to be right here, and you can even press here if you want, and you can see everything that has been inside of the system. We're going to show you every step of the way next time, but this is to show you what is maintained in the ERP system. Here is your customer. So customer management. You have here your customers. You just type in over here, for example, 222, and you have your customer ID, your company, his last name, your contact number, so on and so forth. You can also create customers here. You can see their orders on this section. You can see their customer history, how much did they buy. You can see if you want to make an offer for this customer later on. Everything is handled here to manage your customers and their orders and so on and so forth. And here is the selling part. So here you can see the sellings. The sales you already did for your customers is right here. So you have everything. You have offers with an order, without an order, orders without orders with an invoice, without an invoice, has it been paid, has it not been paid yet. You can check everything on this ERP system. Has it been delivered? This is all tested. These are just like a demonstration on how to do it. We're gonna do it in next videos. You even have here like invoices. Has it been paid? Has it not been paid? Everything is maintained over here for your sales. And then you have the last thing, which is the payments. So the payments is where you can buy and sell stuff and how much you have in your account or not. Of course, as a test version, this doesn't have anything. This does not have any maintained data, so there's no credit cards. But for now, this these are the first 6 sections we're going to show you out of the ERP system. So for instance, this is items, order management, warehouse management, customer management, and sales management, and your payments, so your accounting management. And yeah, that is it. Here everything is maintained. Orders, not orders, whatever you want. You have the sky's the limit in this ERP system. And really, like, subscribe for more. Comment down below what you want to see next. Showcase if you have any more ideas. And I will catch you later. Check out the descriptions down below. Don't forget that. Peace.